The first step is to choose the colors for your bracelet, and keep in mind that the more colors you use, the thicker your bracelet will be. Next, make a knot. Just think of this as tying a knot on a balloon or tying a knot on a rope. These next steps aren't as important, but it is helpful to tape your string down and separate the colors so you don't get them mixed up and you keep in mind the order that you're going in. With the string farthest to the right, you're going to make a backwards 4 with the string to the left of it, and with the end of that, you're going to pull through the hole and tighten it, and make sure it's very tight because that'll make the bracelet come out neater. You're going to do the same knot on each string twice and keep going down the line until you reach the middle. Once you're done and you reach the middle, you're going to leave the string you were knotting with there and do the same thing on the other side, and then knot those two strings twice. You're going to repeat this process for every color until the bracelet fits your wrist, and then you will make a knot at the end to tie it all together. And this is how the finished product will look.